Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propstream, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find off-market properties using Propstream? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find off-market properties with Propstream anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, you know that competing on the MLS can be annoying. So if you can find off-market properties, usually you can get a better deal and an easier negotiation. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propstream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Propstream, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to look for off-market properties, first you're going to have to choose your farming area. So it could be a city, it could be a zip code, it could be a whole county. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just choose Vallejo, California. So I'm going to click in the search bar and just type in Vallejo. Okay, once you see your farming area pop up down here, go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you do that, Propstream is going to let you know how many properties they have logged in that area. You can see they have about 39,000 properties. Now to filter these by off market, what you're going to do is click here on filter. All right, once you do that, here on the left, you're going to click on MLS. Once you're here on MLS, you're going to look for the section on market. Be sure to click on no. Okay, you can see an update right here. So for me, that's a huge list. So generally, if I'm looking for off-market properties, I'm going to make sure it's not on the MLS. For the most part, you're going to remove any property that's on market. Once in a while, they kind of slip through, especially if the timing of your advertising goes out and the property gets marketed on the MLS a day or two, or maybe even a week later. But for the most part, this will avoid it. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and just start filtering down these off-market properties. So for me personally, I like to buy single family. So I'm going to click here on property details, and I'm going to click on residential. And then I'm going to click single family. Also for me, I like to buy from individuals, not companies or other investors. So I'm going to click here, owner information. And generally, I'm going to go ahead and put owner type individual. Also for me, I scroll down and click right here, number of properties owned. Usually I'm going to cap this at 3, because if somebody owns 50, 100 different properties, it's less likely they're going to negotiate with me. So I'm going to click on 3. So you can see we're narrowing it down. And the cool thing about Propstream is you can quickly narrow these down for these off-market properties. So they have this lead list here at the top. So if you're looking for off-market properties that are free and clear, you can click here. If they are in pre-foreclosure, you can click right here. If they're considered tired landlords, you can click here, and it's going to filter all these out. So let's go ahead and choose pre-foreclosure. Okay, based on the filters we put previously and pre-foreclosure, you can see there's about 37 properties logged in Vallejo, California that fit those parameters. So once you have the list size of off-market properties, you're going to click here, view properties in orange, and then you'll be able to see the property information here on the right. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways you can find off-market properties with Propstream, but that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.